Welcome to Incredible Innovations. Today, I would briefly explain the 8 different types of edible seeds which enriches the nutrition in the human body. A seed is an embryonic plant enclosed in a protective outer covering. The formation of the seed is part of the process of reproduction in seed plants. The spermatophytes, including the gymnosperm and angiosperm plants. Seeds are the product of the ripened ovule after fertilization by pollen and some growth within the mother plant. The embryo develops from the zygote and the seed coat from the integuments of the ovule. There are 8 unique seeds which are enriched with nutrition. They are flax seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds, pomegranate seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, hemp seeds, and finally quinoa. Flax seeds. Flax seeds come from the flax plant which grows to about 2 feet tall. Grown since the beginning of civilization, flax seeds are one of the oldest crops. There are 2 types such as brown and golden. It provides a good amount of protein, fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, in addition to being a rich source of some vitamins and minerals. Flax seeds are a rich source of lignans which may reduce cancer risk. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are among the healthiest foods on the planet. They are loaded with nutrients that can have important benefits for your body and brain. Chia seeds deliver a massive amount of nutrients with very few calories. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants. These seeds are high in quality protein, and these seeds may lower the risk of heart disease. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are popular in trail mix, multigrain bread and nutrition bars as well as for snacking straight from the bag. They are rich in healthy fats, beneficial plant compounds and several vitamins and minerals. Sunflower seeds are technically the fruits of the sunflower plant. Their scientific name is Helianthus annuus. They are known for numerous health benefits. The extract from the sunflower seeds known as sunflower oil is highly edible. Pomegranate seeds. Pomegranates are a beautiful fruit with shiny red jewels called arils inside, containing sweet, juicy nectar that surrounds a white seed in the middle. Pomegranates are rich in vitamin C, potassium and fiber. The majority of that fiber is found in the white seeds, hiding beneath the pockets of juice. It contains 48% of the recommended daily vitamin C intake, important for a variety of health functions. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they are packed full of valuable nutrients. Eating only a small amount of them can provide you with a substantial quantity of healthy fats, magnesium and zinc. Pumpkin seeds have been associated with several health benefits. These include improved heart health, prostate health and protection against certain cancers. They are high in antioxidants like carotenoids and vitamin E. Sesame seeds. These seeds are tiny, oil-rich seeds that grow in pods on the Sesamum indicum plant. Sesame seeds have many potential health benefits and have been used in folk medicine for thousands of years. They may protect against heart disease, diabetes and arthritis. They are good source of fiber, may lower cholesterol, triglycerides, nutrition, source of plant protein. It is very highly nutritious and it also a source of plant protein. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are the seeds of the hemp plant, Cannabis sativa. They are from the same species as cannabis but a different variety. Hemp seeds are exceptionally nutritious and rich in healthy fats, protein, and various minerals. Hemp seeds and oil may benefit skin disorders. Hemp seeds are a great source of plant-based protein. Quinoa. Quinoa is a whole grain that is rapidly growing in popularity due to its many health benefits. The quinoa plant itself is more similar to beetroots and spinach. People can eat both the seeds and leaves of this versatile, nutritious plant. It is a plant-based source of protein. The proteins in quinoa offer a wide range of amino acids. Amino acids are vital for supporting muscle development and immune activity, among other essential functions. This makes quinoa an excellent dietary choice for people following a vegetarian diet. Thank you. This is for today. Hope you brush up your mind. Signing off from Incredible Innovations.